Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this one we're working on the 2021 Mark 5 Supra. Sark's back on the channel. Hey Sark.
Hey guys.
What are we doing?
Firstly, excuse the attire, it is freezing. So we're in sunny England. Today we are doing a little mod, but I think it has a big impact. Changing these Toyota Prius badges that comes free with the car. We're changing them to something a little bit more special, some custom badges. Shout out to a company called American Panda Designs and Thick Whip's YouTube channel. But essentially what they've done is they've come out with these bad boys. So it's a 3D printed backplate with the GTA 6 badge on, and they custom color, the custom color the backplate to whatever color your Supra is. So they do come up on Instagram, you can buy them. But yeah, I mean, you can see the difference is very modern, and it blacks it out. And the stock badges have a habit of hazing over, so I think it'd be a nice blacked out design. So we're going to give that a go.
Hopefully a straightforward process.
The back one is, the front one's a bit tricky because the stock badge has got 3 prongs at the back, like clips. So really you want to take the bumper off and do it. But even Thick Whips on his YouTube channel will just basically use fishing line, which we've got, just to cut the tape underneath and then yank the badge off and basically break the clips, because the new one has no clips, it's just 3Ms on, so we don't need the tape again.
Cool.
So we're going to try that, but the back one should be straightforward.
So we're going to give it a go. Hopefully we don't break too much, but we'll keep you guys part of the process. So what are we doing first? Just taping it up.
So we're going to be using this stuff. Some fishing line. Shout out to Pramish. Didn't know he was a fisherman, but he supplied us with this. So we're going to be sort of getting the fishing line underneath the badge to cut the 3M tape on underneath it. The first step. So we just want to moss up the bumper so we don't scratch the paint, because it will scratch because it's quite delicate and fresh.
And then you won't be a happy bunny, will you?
Exactly. This badge is not going to be worth it. So we're just going to try to build it up so that it's got some kind of protection, and then we'll give it a go. Alright guys, as you can see, we've taped it up. It's going to look like I'm doing some threading, but I'm not. This is actually hopefully going to work. So we're going to give this a go, see if we can get behind there. That's weird because there's like 2 plates. Let's see if we can get in there. Can we get in there? Now, I was speaking to us off camera. I was contemplating whether to heat this up to make it a bit more accessible. So it's got a bit of give, because right now it's really tight. So yeah, I think we should do that.
Should we try it?
Let's give it some heat.
Just for reference, what's the weather today?
Freezing.
Freezing? I think it's like 1 or 2 degrees.
I don't even know if you've got any degrees out here, mate. Jeez, that doesn't look good on camera.
That's why it just puffs smoke everywhere.
Guys, you just killed their head right out. Shout out Babyliss. Sponsor our channel.
Don't buy that.
I just killed it on camera. I need to go get another one.
Round 2.
It's Babyliss again, guys. So sponsor us, but also I cannot afford to break this one to my mum's. There's no channel.
It's not like I don't have a heat gun or anything like that at home, is it?
Yeah, exactly. So guys, we've managed to heat it and we got it in 2 places now. Let's see if this works. Quite tough, isn't it? Yeah. Chill, not messing around. This must be the BMW influence.
If his Japanese would have fallen off by now.
I know. I would have blown it off by now. Right, guys.
Maybe heat it a bit more?
Yeah, probably. I think heating gears let me get that far. So let's see. What we've discovered, chaps, it's in 2 pieces. So there's a front plate that I could pull off here. So that's just that. And then you have the second bit, but the clips they're referring to are these. So they're not really clips. I think they're more just...
They're like guiding pins.
Yeah, guiding pins, unless there's more somewhere. But no, it's just pretty much that. It's not as hard as I thought it'd be. Oh, tell a lie. There's another one there. Right guys, I'm gonna be forceful with it. There we go. And then there's one more clip here. That's it. But yeah, essentially that's what it is. Comes off with 2 pieces. I think it's easier to take the front plate off and be a bit more aggressive with the back one and we're good to go. So now we just clean this up. I think we'll take the tape off and place the other badge on. I think it's as simple as that. Right guys, so now is the bit of peeling and trusting that this tape's going to hold on your expensive badges. There's a part of me that wants to put some...
How much were these?
Oh, like 150 quid or something stupid.
From America, right?
Yeah, and they took ages to come. So essentially, it's got some 3M tape on it. You just peel it and you just stick it down. Just to make sure you put it on the right way. Right, see there's a part of me that thinks I should put some tiger seal on it, but hey, you only live once. There we go, once you're happy with it, give it And the other thing is, quick tip is heat it up as well so the tape gets a bit warm and sticky. That's enough. Voila, I think we're good.
Right, one done.
Yeah, one down, one to go. Cool, so now that we showed you the front one, it's exactly the same in the back. Minus, it's actually easier in the back because it doesn't have the prongs on the back one. So we'll quickly do that and then we'll show you the results.
Right guys, so there you have it, the back one's done. As Sark said, exactly the same process as the front, but basically taken the tape off, slapped it back on, and looks nice. It's always these small things that make the biggest difference. But yeah, so that's it, front and the back done. Sark, what do you think, mate?
Yeah, it's a nice, easy job. The thing is, what I would point out is there's nothing on the internet or YouTube, anything that tells you or shows you how to do it. I think even Thick Whips on his site, he done a video where the badges were already on the car and he just sort of talks you through it. So it's a bit scarier tackling it, but actually now I'm doing it, it's very easy. So I hope this video helps. If there's other people out there that want the badges, they're available on Thick Whips Instagram. So have a look at that, and then yeah, I mean now you know how to fit them. It should be pretty straightforward.
Definitely. And guys, if you want to see more Supra content, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give it a fat thumbs up, and let us know what else you want to see. In fact, I'll give you a bit of a teaser. In the next video, we're going to be looking at installing a front lip on the car, so make sure you stay tuned for that one. Thanks very much for watching, guys.